Welcome to Pew Pew Park.
Hey guys, I'm Psycho316. Welcome to Pew Pew Park, and this, my new to me M&P9. This was a police trade-in I got online. So we're gonna see how it runs, if it's as good as the old one I had. If you know, I sold that so I can get my 4Runner. So we're gonna try some different loads here. Oh, we got 5 rounds of the typical 115 grain Federal red box, the kind of bulk stuff you can get at Walmart. Well, you used to. Let's try it out. I'm about 6-7 yards. So we're gonna shoot at the upper left corner box target. I got another camera at the target, so we'll see how this goes. That wasn't so good. I'm gonna go ahead and mark them, and we'll check it out after I'm done with all 5 things. It's been a long time since I shot a full-size pistol. I'm kind of rushing, I think. But yeah, we'll be right back. Alright. Next up, we got this Remington 9mm Luger, 115 grain. You can see it's the Military Law Enforcement Division training ammunition. I got this at where did I get that? I'm not actually sure where I got it. Maybe I got it at Ventura Munitions, but we don't know. So I got that here. Let's give this a shot. Top right. All right. Next up, we got a box of Wolf ammunition. It's still cased. I believe it's also 115 grain. So we'll try this out next. Here we go. I'm going to do the bottom left. We'll mark that. We'll be right back. This is the Federal, the first Federal I shot. So, like I said, the red box bulk ammo you'd find at Walmart, or used to be able to find it at Walmart. I have no clue if this is actually the same or different. But I also have some of this we're going to shoot. It's also 115 grain. But I got some of that. We'll try that as well. I'm actually going to shoot bottom right. See how it is. Yeah, nah. All right, next we have, let me grab the box. Box is a bit banged up. There's a Sportsman, the sport shooter ammunition, aka the Smurf rounds. We're gonna aim right for the center. See how it is. Alright, last up, I just put another target out there. We're going to aim right for the middle. Is something that doesn't really work with the other ones. This is 150 grain Federal Premium HST for micro. Hollow point in this as well. But we can still check it out. These are new mags too. They're pretty good. I like them. This gun only came with one mag, so I bought 2 brand new ones on sale. Brownells actually for like 29 bucks, 29.99. They're normally at what, 40 something. All right, first up is the Federal 115 grain, the red box. Pretty decent, I guess. I haven't shot a full-size pistol in 8 months maybe. It's been a long time, so I think that's pretty good. Not too shabby. It definitely would hit a man-sized target. But again, this is about 7 yards, I think. Next, we'll go over to the Remington 115 grain. Not too shabby. Had a little fire. Next, we'll go to the Wolf 115 grain. Next to the second thing of Federal. As you can see, I kind of messed up on that one a bit. You notice I shot 2 in a row almost immediately after each other. I kind of pulled the trigger before I was completely ready, but we'll try this one again. Next, we'll go to the Swordsman shooter. Not too shabby. I'm not actually sure what grain. I think it's 115 grain as well. I think they're all 115 grain, but it's not too bad. It's good enough for me for if I have to use a gun on someone in self-defense. That'll definitely be adequate, I guess you could say. And then we'll go down to the Federal 115 grain HST hollow points. Again, I haven't shot in over a year, but I think that's pretty good if you ask me. So we'll load another 5 rounds of that second, the white box of Federal. Give that a second shot. White box Federal, another shot. So I got 5 more rounds. We're gonna do just the target below. I think that was a lot better. Let's go check it out. All right, as you can see, when I actually kind of take my time, it's a lot better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, it's just mostly me being rusty. So there you go. So I'm happy about this M&P. It runs pretty good for being a police trade-in. Again, it's actually a little different, I feel, from mine. Like again, the Techname lever doesn't stay down. I guess it's just because it's been used. Apparently that actually happens. It's not supposed to stay down. Apparently that's supposed to be how it works. So maybe I just didn't use mine enough. But yeah, I'm happy overall with this and all the ammo I have. Even the still case runs pretty good. Didn't have any malfunctions. Before I started this video, I did run a mostly full mag. Make sure I didn't have any failure to eject, failure to feed, or any other type of jams. Works pretty good. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm eventually going to be getting the light for it. I got another video or two to film. So you guys have a good day.